Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's short video, I will show you how you can use the simple VLOOKUP function to apply a particular text percentage on a range of salaries. So I have this table with the salary data, and this small table I have prepared to define the text percentages. So just make sure that your values are in ascending order before you apply the formula. So I will go there, I will put VLOOKUP. Lookup value is this salary value. Lookup array is this table, comma, column index number. I have to enter second column, and then I have to select approximate match. If I use the false match or the exact match, then the values should be exact matching with the table, which is not the case, so I have to select the approximate match. So I got this applicable 7% rate. So what it is doing, it is basically looking after the value from the table, and then it will apply the percentage of tax until it finds the next applicable percentage value. So for 18,000 we got 7%, and until 24,999 this will be 7%. As soon as you hit 25% you will get 8% tax rate. So let me copy down the formula. Okay, I need to fix this error because I have to make this table array reference as an absolute. So I will go there, I will select this, and I will put F4 to lock it here, and again F4 to lock it the last cell of this table. Enter, and then I will copy it down again. Okay, so now this way I have got the tax percentages applied to different salaries. This is how you can use the simple VLOOKUP function to apply the tax percentage on the range of salaries. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel.